Hello, class. Today we will be talking about the case on the WeChat ecosystem, unleashing the potential of Longtail to stay innovative. My name is Naomi Hernandez.
I'm Chanel Valdivia.
I'm Ashley Torres.
And I'm Yaya Kafajizadeh.
All right, so let's get started. So what is WeChat? So WeChat is a Chinese instant messaging, social media, and mobile payment app. This app was created by Chinese tech company Tencent and was first released in January 2011 and has since become one of the most popular and successful apps to date, not only in China, but internationally as well. WeChat can be used to send text messages, voice notes, video calls, photo and video sharing, and more. WeChat also offers a payment method called WeChat Pay, where users can make payments from their device, transfer funds, and pay bills as well. It is known as a multi-use mobile app and has a wide range of functions. So between 2012 and 2013, WeChat expanded rapidly and gained millions of users, both within China and internationally. In January 2020, Tencent and or WeChat held their annual flagship conference called the WeChat Open Class. Alan Zhang, who is a senior executive vice president and founder of WeChat, announced that although the most popular and influential accounts typically bring in the most views, he still wanted the platform to welcome smaller players and help them succeed effectively. As WeChat grew into one of the most influential and successful apps, the app itself was still unregulated and bigger influencers were dominating the platform. Although WeChat welcomed the massive amounts of traffic that they were getting because of these bigger players, they also wanted to welcome more medium and small enterprises and not let them be as intimidated or feel like they are left out. As WeChat continued to grow at a rapid pace, Zhang wanted the platform to emerge with a winner-takes-all structure. With that, WeChat introduced B2B features and tools in order to introduce medium players into WeChat so they could achieve more visibility. With the help of these new features, they were hoping to create a more prosperous platform and or ecosystem with the help of more participation from not only long tail, but also mid-tail players.
So, Tencent is the tech giant behind WeChat that embarked on an ambitious mission to become the ultimate online platform catering to all user needs. So, let's discuss a few issues that WeChat faced. The first being that they were accused of trying to do too much and becoming a monopoly. Some behaviors that were shown that raised concern were market control, data collection and privacy concerns, and much more. They also had a rapid expansion, leading to a lack of excitement and variety. Because they had become a one-stop solution for users, they claimed the platform was difficult to navigate and just seemed cluttered. With a wide range of variety, it created confusion and frustration and led to a decline in user engagement and satisfaction. During 2016 through 2017, the trend of open platforms slowed down due to a lack of innovation. AI started gaining momentum for the platform, enhancing user experiences, but users were not so sure about this shift. This was also due to privacy concerns. In 2018, users had also started complaining about intrusive advertisements, creating a major decline in engagement. WeChat implemented a significant change in its advertising strategy by restricting the number of ads displayed. WeChat sought to strike a balance between monetization efforts and preserving the quality of user engagement on the platform by limiting the number of ads. While this did improve user experience, it was not enough to bring back previous users. So in this slide, we can see a bit of the increase we discussed in 2018, but we can also see the decline of revenue due to advertisements. So by 2019, revenue was at 16%, which was not great at all.
So for recommendations, need for innovation and creativity is the first one. WeChat needs to be more creative and innovate its own thing instead of copying competitors. By being creative, AI is unable to breach this part of the sector because AI lacks creativity. And that's one thing that should make WeChat different from an AI. Second, we have a balance between profitability and user interface and user satisfaction. Um, most users are the most important part of WeChat, so their satisfaction is very important. That's why there needs to be a balance between the ads and the services received, as well as incentives for users that are growing the platform. By making the existing users happy, you have the potential for them to refer new users to WeChat as well. And third one, everyone is the same, big or small. Size doesn't mean you can dominate the sector at all or WeChat. Small and large organizations should be able to collaborate and compete with one another without one dominating the platform. Having different segmentations in WeChat interface can help with this as well. I also wanted to add that for the first one, this starts by embedding innovation within the company's ethics and ecosystem so that the employees that work at WeChat are more encouraged to create and innovate new features for existing and newer customers. One of the things that we mentioned that needs more innovation and more change is the WeChat interface. It needs to be simplified to get out of its cluttered look. Next slide.
So, in conclusion, as we mentioned before, under Tencent's leadership, WeChat has truly become a powerhouse in the digital landscape, offering a versatile platform that caters to the diverse needs of our users. Some challenges faced. However, our success, we had many challenges along the way, as we mentioned before. We've had to address accusations of monopolistic tendencies and navigate the complexities of our expansion while ensuring an optimal user experience. Multidimensional strategy for success. To tackle these challenges, we've adopted a multidimensional strategy. First and foremost, we prioritize innovation. Genuine innovation allows us to differentiate ourselves and promote an open and creative culture within our company. Next slide, please. Focus on user experience. User experience is at the core of everything we do. By employing user-centric design principles and seeking constant feedback, we ensure that our platform meets the needs and preferences of all of our users. Importance of collaboration. Collaboration is key to our success, as previously mentioned. Through strategic partnerships with third-party developers, we integrate new innovations into our platform which allows us to foster healthy competition and enhances our offerings. Next slide, please. Advertising strategy innovation. Our advertising strategy is also evolving. We aim to strike a balance between user delight and profitability by delivering targeted, non-intrusive ads that seamlessly integrate into the user experience, promoting diversity and creativity. We believe in promoting diversity and encouraging creativity by bridging the gap between large and small corporations and fostering collaboration. We create an environment where all voices are heard and valued, no matter how big or small they are. So, in conclusion, WeChat has faced its share of challenges, but we're confident in our ability to overcome them. Through innovation, user-centric design, and strategic collaboration, we are able to build a diverse and inclusive ecosystem that will drive our continued growth and success in the digital world. Next slide. And that's our presentation. Thank you guys for listening.